Welcome to solverfy.
Let's see where we might have went wrong here. So price percent change is the amount of change. So we're going from we're increasing from 689 to from 599 compared with the 599 that we started with. So let's see what that would look like. 689 minus 599 would be a change of 0.9 or 90 cents compared to where I started at 599. And I don't know what you need to write to, but or how many decimal places, but it's a 15.03% or about a 15% increase. So I'm not sure how you calculate it. Let's look at B. The cost of the haircut decreased, so it's now $7.99. It was $13.99. So you always compare the two for the difference, which this case went down. And you compare with always where it started. How much did it change compared to where it started? So $7.99 minus $13.99. It changed by 6 compared to it starting at $13.99, which would be about negative 43. So about a negative 43% change. The cost of an oil change increased, and I don't know if, like in part B, you include the negative actually, because it's still a 43% change. I'm not sure if you include the negative in your answer or not, but it should be 43%, not 75%. In C, it increased to 43.99 from 39.95. So it's now 43.99 from the 39.95 that it started. And you compare that always to the start. How much did it change compared to what did it start at? And so 43.99 minus 39.95 compared to 39.95 is 0.101, so about 10.1%. If it's to the nearest percent, I would say 10. And finally, a new car was reduced to 22,959 from 24,899. How much did it change? This went down, so 22,959 minus 24,899 compared to what it started at 24,899 is how much did it change? The difference between them compared with where it started, and it started at 24,899. So 22,959 minus 24,899 compared with the 24,899. It changed about 8%, about 7.8. And again, if you're going to the nearest percent, it'd be, again, I question if you even need to include the negative. It would just be called a 7.8% decrease. And if you need to, I didn't see anywhere what you need to be rounding to, how many decimal places. Oh, it does say make sure you use a negative. So yes, use the negative. Okay, so but I don't know how many decimal places you need to round to. So maybe you say 8, maybe you say negative 7 point, and you may need to recalculate some of these if you want to go to a more specific um, percentage. Well, hopefully this helped clear up a little bit of what maybe your miscalculations were stemming from. Good luck.